In which country were playing cards invented? A. India, B. China, C. Egypt. Correct answer is B. China. What is the average lifespan of a cow? A. 10 to 12 years, B. 15 to 20 years, C. 25 to 30 years. Correct answer is B. 15 to 20 years. What is the main festival of Sikhs? A. Baisakhi, B. Holi, C. Lohri. Correct answer is A. Baisakhi. Which crop takes the longest time to sow and harvest? A. Rice, B. Wheat, C. Sugarcane. Correct answer is C. Sugarcane. Which is the largest continent in the world? A. Africa, B. Asia, C. Europe. Correct answer is B. Asia. Where is the elephant festival celebrated? A. Jaipur, Rajasthan, B. Kaziranga, Assam, C. Mysore, Karnataka. Correct answer is A. Jaipur, Rajasthan. What is the average lifespan of a horse? A. 10 to 15 years, B. 20 to 30 years, C. 40 to 50 years. Correct answer is B. 20 to 30 years. Which country's people worship the most? A. India, B. Nepal, C. Sri Lanka. Correct answer is A. India. Solar energy is obtained from which source? A. Moon, B. Sun, C. Stars. Correct answer is B. Sun. Which vitamin is lost when vegetables are washed? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D. Correct answer is B. Vitamin C. Which animal never dies and lives forever? A. Turritopsis dohrnii, immortal jellyfish, B. Tortoise, C. Shark. Correct answer is A. Turritopsis dohrnii, immortal jellyfish. When was ISRO established? A. 1962, B. 1969, C. 1972. Correct answer is B. 1969. In which state is the Jagannath temple located? A. West Bengal, B. Odisha, C. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Odisha. Which state produces the most cardamom? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is A. Kerala. What is the capital of Maharashtra? A. Nagpur, B. Pune, C. Mumbai. Correct answer is C. Mumbai. What is the capital of Manipur? A. Imphal, B. Aizawl, C. Gangtok. Correct answer is A. Imphal. Which creature sleeps with one eye open? A. Dolphin, B. Crocodile, C. Shark. Correct answer is A. Dolphin. Where is saffron found in the largest quantity? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is B. Jammu and Kashmir. How much does a blue whale's heart weigh? A. 150 kilograms, B. 450 kilograms, C. 650 kilograms. Correct answer is C. 650 kilograms. Eating raw mango helps to cure which disease? A. Constipation, B. Acidity. C. Cough. Correct answer is B. Acidity.